Well, g'day all. I've dragged the auger car back from out of the field that's been sitting in for just over a year and a half now, I think. So I'm going to get this all sorted and get it going again, do some more tests. It's had long enough break. So I'm just trying to get it started after all that time. So there's a few leaves and bits of crap everywhere. So I'll give it a bit of a spray of engine start and see what happens. I might give it quite a bit of engine start, I think. Switches on. Away we go, see what happens. Whoa. No, it doesn't. I don't know if it's getting fuel by the sounds of it. Give it a heat. It's probably sucked in a lot of water over that time. Whip the air cleaner off, I think. No spiders anyway, that's a good sign. This petrol could be stale as well, I guess. It's not sounding right, is it? Come on, girl. That's not good. That's my little... don't know what that means. Power, data. Yeah, it could be fuel pressure, I think. It might be out of juice. A wee leak. It's probably full of water. Doesn't. There's not a lot in there, I don't think. Oh well, I think I'll give it a bit more of a clean up and then we'll try again later on. See you guys.